Welcome back to Daily Speaking English Podcast, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Lena.
Hello, Lena. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look really happy today.
I am. I'm super excited about our topic today.
Me too. But before we start, let's remind everyone to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this podcast with your friends and family.
Yes, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be the first to listen to our episodes and best topics. That really helps us grow our big family. So, Ben, are you ready?
I'm ready, and I'm also a little hungry today. I keep thinking about food.
Really? What kind of food?
Oh, a big hamburger, some fries, maybe a cold soda. Just thinking about it makes me even more hungry.
That sounds delicious. And guess what? It's perfect for today's episode because we're talking about food and going to a restaurant.
Yes! Going to a restaurant is something people do all the time, and it's a great chance to practice English.
Exactly. So today we're going to learn simple and useful English phrases for restaurants. And of course, we'll make everything easy for you.
All right, let's start from the beginning. I walk to the restaurant door. What do I do first?
First, you open the door, smile, and say hello to the host or waiter. It's always good to start with a friendly greeting.
That's easy. Hello, I can do that.
Yes, you can. After hello, you need to ask for a table. You can say, a table for two, please?
So if it's you and me, I say, a table for two, please. And if I'm alone, a table for one, please. Right?
Exactly. You only change the number. A table for 2, 3, 4, whatever you need.
Great. And then the waiter will probably say, this way, please, or follow me, please.
Yes, then you follow them to your table and sit down. And the next important thing is the menu.
Right, the menu. I need the menu before I can choose my food. How do I ask for it?
Very simple. You can say, can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please? That sounds polite. I like it.
Please is always polite and friendly, especially in a restaurant. It makes communication easier.
Okay, so I have the menu, I open it, and I see many words: starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Yes, these words are important. Starters are small dishes you eat first. For example, soup or a small salad.
I love tomato soup. It's simple and tasty.
Me too. Then we have main courses. They're the big dishes like chicken, pasta, fish, or hamburgers.
Hamburger. Yes, that's my favorite.
And after the main course, we have dessert. Sweet dishes like cake, ice cream, or fruit.
Chocolate cake is the best dessert ever.
I agree. And the last part is drinks. Water, juice, soda, tea, and so on.
So now the waiter comes back with a little notebook and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
Yes, that is the most common question. Are you ready to order?
And I answer, "Yes, I am," or "Yes, please." And if I need more time, I say, "Just a minute, please."
Perfect! Those three answers are very useful.
Now let's talk about ordering. Do I say, "I want a hamburger"?
You can, but there is a more polite way. I would like or I'll have.
So I should say, "I would like the hamburger, please."
Exactly. Or I'll have the hamburger. Both are natural and polite.
Okay, let's practice. You be the waiter.
Great. Here we go. Hello. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Tomato soup. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like anything to drink?
Yes. I would like a soda, please.
Perfect. So that's 1 tomato soup, 1 hamburger, and 1 soda. Thank you.
Thank you. That was easy.
Yes, ordering food in English is simple when you know these phrases.
After ordering, I wait, and finally the food arrives. The best part.
Yes, and the waiter usually says, "Enjoy your meal."
And I say thank you. Easy.
During the meal, the waiter may ask, "Is everything okay?"
And if the food is good, I say, yes, it's delicious, or everything is great, thank you.
Delicious is a great word. It means very good.
Yes, my hamburger is always delicious. But what if I need something, like more water?
Then you look at the waiter and say, "Excuse me, can I have some more water, please?"
That's simple and useful. Can I have some more water, please?
Yes, you can also say, "Can I have another soda?" Or, "Can I have some more bread?"
Nice! After I finish my food, maybe I want dessert.
Yes, the waiter may take your plates and ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
And of course, I say, yes, please. Dessert is my favorite part.
Then, when you're ready, you can say, "I would like the chocolate cake, please."
That's perfect. And after dessert, it's time to pay.
Yes, the bill. To ask for it, you say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "The check, please?"
Bill and check mean the same thing, right?
Yes, bill is more common in the UK, check in the US, but everyone understands both.
Good to know. Then I pay with cash or a credit card.
Right. If you're not sure, you can ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
Great phrase. And when I give the money, I say, here you are.
Yes, and then you can smile and say, "Thank you. Goodbye." Politeness is always important.
Lena, this is all so simple when you explain it. I feel confident now.
I'm so happy to hear that, and I hope everyone listening feels more confident too.
Should we do a quick review for our listeners?
Yes, let's do it. A fast and simple review.
First, ask for a table for two, please.
Then ask for the menu. "Can I have the menu, please?"
When ordering, I would like or I'll have.
During the meal, "Is everything okay?" "Yes, it's delicious."
Asking for more, can I have some more water, please?
And always use "please" and "thank you."
Exactly. These small words make a big difference.
All right, everyone, thank you so much for listening. Make sure to listen to this episode several times, repeat the phrases, and practice speaking about your own daily routine.
The best way to improve your speaking skill is simple. Repeat, repeat, and repeat until you can talk smoothly about your day.
And before we go, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
We would love to read your answers. Thank you for joining us today on Daily Speaking English Podcast.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and keep smiling.